Hi everybody, my name is Sandra Sinisterra. Today I have the pleasure to present my first work about the course Academic Writing. Okay, the first point about this is to present myself. My name is Sandra Sinisterra. I am 38 years old. I was born in Florida Valle, but I grew up in Buenaventura Port. I have a daughter. She's 13 years old. She's in 8th grade at the school. I am single. I work in a foundation as a director. I have 3 years working there, and I'm so happy there. My telephone number or my cell phone number is 316-241-2007. My Skype is Sancies, and my expectation about this course, I want to say that I really excited to learn many things in this course. I know that in other semester I have received different information about writing skill, but I I'm sure that in this course I'm going to learn other things. I think that I'm going to learn how to improve my writing skill, and I have an open mind in order to receive different information from my teachers and from my partners too. The second point about this activity is to answer three questions. The first question about this is, according to the course description, what could your personal goal be while completing the course and why? Taking into account the content of the course, my personal goals is to get the best result in my learning process. I think that in this specific course, I'm going to improve my writing skill. I'm going to learn a lot of vocabulary. I'm going to learn grammatical rules in order to organize my ideas in a good way. And on the other hand, I think that academic writing has a specific purpose, which is develop a special training or focus the student to get good result in our writing skill. For that reason, I want to have an open mind in order to receive a lot of information about this course. The following question is, what strategies will you perform to improve your writing skill during the course? Okay, I think that everything in our life needs perseverance and effort, and everything needs to be focused in our result. In my point of view, if I want to get the best results in this course, I must practice all the time. I must separate a specific time in order to learn new vocabulary, in order to learn grammatical rules, in order to organize my ideas in a coherent way. For that reason, it's important that I focus in everything that the teacher give me in the learning process. I want to receive information. I want to organize my time in order to develop my writing skill in the best way. What else? Then the last question is, according to the course content, what are the two topics you like the most and why? Okay, I think that all topics in this course are important, but I have chosen two specific topics, which are essays and the pragmatics of paragraphing, English argumentative test. In my point of view, I think that these topics are connected. Why? Because in order to get a good essay, it's important that we organize the paragraph in a good order. And it's important that we organize the paragraph in order to get the idea at the beginning, in the middle, and at the end too. For that reason, I think that in this course, I'm going to learn how to organize my essays, how to get the attention of the people who read my articles or who read my conference. For that reason, I want to improve my writing skill, choosing those topics. Sometimes I have some difficulties to write in English. I have the idea, but maybe I'm not sure how to organize everything that at the end the people can receive the information that I want to say. For that reason, I want to practice in these topics and receive the information from my teacher and recognize my mistakes in this learning process. Thank you very much for your attention. Have a good day.